Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of NeuroNation app. You will click on settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will search about NeuroNation app and you will click here. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.